Hey cool dudes, I'm here and ready to teach, but very quickly because I have to leave. I have to go on a plane somewhere. That's right. That's right, from rags to riches. I was under a bridge and then I stole some flight tickets. So that's pretty cool. I didn't really, but I am going on a plane soon. So I'm going to quickly show you guys some advanced custom masking stuff that's fun and professional and cool, and it's fun. This is like one of my favorite things. Now I'm going to click on user nodes. I'm going to drag in this clear blue sky, blah 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 blah. Okay, cool. So this is an image. It's there we go. Connect those two. Get rid of that. Viewer node. There we go. Shrink that image. And what I want to do here is change this background thing. The sky. It's called a sky. I'm from Earth. It's called a sky. I want to change the sky color. And before, what we were doing, before we were using the box mask and the ellipse split mask, and they're somewhat limited. You can do some cool things. Last session we did the box mask. You can move it up, up and down, blah blah, left to right, rotate it, etc. Before the ellipse mask, and you could blur it and make it oval and blah blah. But this one is more custom and nice and professional and cool, and it's great. You're gonna love it. It's so much better than prostitution. Not that those were your only two choices. So let's. What am I going to do? What do I need to do? Quick, think. Okay, cool. I'm going to come down here, click mask. Boom. So easy, so simple. It's done already, basically. I'm going to control click. Where do I click? Anywhere I want, because I'm awesome at clicking. There we go. I clicked one point. You see that weird thing, and I control click again. Control click again. Control click again. Yeah, I'm clicking and clacking. I'm clicking. There we go. Cool. Now I want to connect those two together. I want them to be friends. So Alt or Option C. Done. There we go. How cool is that? Now I'm going to click delete. Yeah, that's right. Got rid of one of them. Now you can push A and things are selected or not. So if I push A, for example, and I push the G, R, or S button, nothing happens. If I push A again, I can rotate. I can, with R, G, S, scale, blah blah. Same stuff as always. You would in another thing. And this is very cool, man. Like, oh, you can animate it as well, which, yeah, it's pretty cool. If I've got the timeline here, I can't believe, I think out of frustration I just went buh. That's not something I normally do, just pronounce one letter of the alphabet. Okay, so if I click that, then it automatically keyframes and I can move that around, blah blah. Okay, so that's how that's done. I'm going to pull that down here. Anyway, so what I'm going to do now is, that's pretty cool. So I want to add that into this image. Oh, by the way, I want it to, if I want to feather it out a little bit, I can shift click. That's it. It's so easy. How easy is that? Shift click. I'm going to undo actually that first. 1 second. And oops, I'll put that back there. What do I need to do? I need to add an input mask. All right, but I'm going to do it the awesome way. Mask. As usual. Use that to search for what we need. Well, not what we need, but it would be good. Okay, so now if I add viewer, yeah, how much cooler is this than the other ones? Yeah, bang, I can see it. Hang on, not yet quite. Viewer node is in. Yes, cool, excellent, great. Got that there. That here, nothing selected, that's why. Okay, so this is called mask. I prefer to call it super fun, right? So if I call it that, come up here, click super fun. nothing is happening. Let's figure out why. Super fun. Oops, I didn't need to do that. Anyway, let me close that for 1 second. Input, mask. There we go. Click that back. I mean, I'd made an error. I mean, it just went funny for a second. Okay, cool. Sometimes it goes a bit weird, but just turn it back on. Just delete it, add it back in. It's all good. Okay, so there we have our mask. And if I go back to masking mode, you can see I can adjust it, blah, blah, blah. Shift click, boom, feathered out. I can add it, stretch it further, etc. Blah, blah, blah. See, sometimes happens, it's really weird. Anyway, so I've got that there. Now, quickly, if I come here, add RGB curves, I can adjust contrast, just say, and then bring more magenta into this. Cool. I like that, blah, 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 that will do. And I can use this, oops, to control this. Now you can see the different sizes, which is unfortunate. So it's going to come out quite odd. There you go. But what I'll do is I'm going to change, what do I do? Okay, I'm going to change that from scene size to fixed. What if I do fixed scene? No, I'm going to change it to fixed. And I'll just put it in manually. We'll go through more of this later. I know it's 1000 by 750. 1000 by 750. There we go. Cool. That'll do. That's done. Move that up and down. Great. Cool. Oops. Oopsie doopsie. View. Beautiful. Now, if I, just to fix this a little bit, I'm going to shove this in here. What am I doing? Okay, I want that to go in between. There we go. And now, I'll change the y-axis to 40. And there we go, we've blurred it out a bit more. Might put that to 60 even. Great. And now I can just adjust that and fool around. Cool, and you can even, if I want to, I'm going to put this back to mask, come down here, turn on that, bring that up a little bit, put that back to 0. So, oops. No. Anyway, I'm going to move this here, and then move that there. Just doing anything, whatever, blah, blah, blah. And as you can see, this changes and moves. I'm going to turn that off with me. All right, cool. I need to go now. So thank you guys for listening. If anyone's listening, no one might be listening. What? That doesn't even make sense. Anyway, I need to go. You guys have been great. Bye.